तो as cut set matrix is a minimum set of elements that when cut separates the graph into two groups of nodes. Cut set is a minimum set of branches when removed reduced the rank of the graph by 1. So it will be a minimum set of branches. So it is when we remove cut set the graph will become unconnected. Like for this network, we have this cut set. When we remove all the branches, this, and this, your graph is reduced to this. And this will be a unconnected graph because all the nodes are not connected. So cut set is a set of elements or branches which will reduce, and it will be reduce the rank of the graph by 1. That is, rank of a graph is decided by number of tree branches. So when we remove one branch, one cut set, it will be reduced to 3. Here we have rank 4, here we have rank 3 because one tree branch has been removed. So now how to find fundamental cut set matrix? So step number 1, select a tree for given graph. You have to select a tree. It is your choice which tree you select. It is not always defined. It is your choice which tree you select. Then select one tree branch at a time. We have to select one tree branch at a time. एक time पे एक ट्री ब्रांच को सेलेक्ट करना है। थर्ड, ड्रॉ ए सर्कल cutting the selected tree branch. Only one tree branch must be cut by the circle. So when you draw a circle, this in last class discussed previously, we have to draw a circle which will be having only one tree branch, that is twig, and can have any number of 4 tree branches. ट्री की कितनी भी ब्रांचेस उस टाइम हम कंसीडर कर सकते हैं, उससे कोई लिमिटेशन नहीं है, एंड दैट विल बी नोन एज एफ कट सेट. Then the element of matrix will be 1, -1 or 0. तो 0 if ब्रांच, इसको हम लिख देते हैं Q I J. 0 if branch J is not part of F cut set I. अगर उस कट सेट का वो ब्रांच पार्ट नहीं है, द एलिमेंट विल बी 0, and 1 and -1 if branch J is part of cut set. If branch J is part of cut set, तो कट सेट का पार्ट है. Now we have to select, it will be 1 or -1. So it will be decided on the basis of direction. If branch J have same direction as twig, जिस ट्विग के लिए वो कट सेट बनाया था, अगर उस ट्विग की डायरेक्शन और J की डायरेक्शन सेम है, then it will be +1. If opposite, then -1. So this is how we will be drawing the cut set. So our network which we will be discussing, so for this graph we have selected this as your tree and these are your co-tree branches. Now we have to consider one twig at a time, and we have to draw a circle which will be cutting only one twig at a time. So this is F cut set 1, this is F cut set 2, this is F cut set 3, and this will be F cut set 4. So we have F cut set 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we have branches, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are your branches. So row will be your F cut set number and columns will be your branch number. So now F cut set 1, that is this. So in this your 5 is your twig. So it will be plus 1. 6, 7, 8. These are not part of this F cut set. Now 1 and 4. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. They are part of this cut set. That means 2 and 3 are 0 because they are not part of this cut set. इस सर्कल से ये कट नहीं हो रहे. Now जो डायरेक्शन ट्विग की है, that is 5. If it is incoming to the circle, it will be considered as plus. If it is outgoing to the circle, then it will be considered as plus. So depending on the direction of twig, the direction of twig is always positive. It will be not incoming or not outgoing. It will be, the direction of twig will be taken as the direction of this cut set. So branch 5 is incoming to the circle. 1 is outgoing to the circle. That means minus 1. 4 is incoming to the circle, similar to 5. So it will be 1. Then it will be branch F cut set 2. It is twig number 6. 5 is 0, 6 is 1, 7 is 0, 8 is 0. Now it is having 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 3 and 4 will be 0. Now branch 2 is outgoing to the circle, and branch 6, that is twig over reference, it is incoming to the circle. So that is branch 2 is minus 1 and branch 6 is, branch 1 is same as 6. So it will be plus 1. Then 0, 0, 1, 0, 7th. So it is incoming, that is 2 is plus 1, 3 is minus 1. And similarly for 4, it is 0, 0, 0, 1. Then it is 4 is 3, 4 is 3 is plus 1 and 4 is minus 1. 1 and 2 are 0. This will be your F cut set matrix for this. So now for the same, we have this. We have selected this as the tree. One, 6, 8 and 3. These are your tree branches. This will be your F cut set 1. This will be your 2. This will be your 3. And this will be your 4. So it will be also F cut set 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have to draw branches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What will be the cut set matrix? Try to write the cut set matrix. Tree, we have twig number 1 as cut set 1. So this is cutting 1, 5 and 4. So that means 1, 5 and 4 will be there 2, 3, 6, 7, 8 will be 0. 1 is outgoing, that means 1 will be plus 1 and outgoing will be considered as plus and incoming will be considered as minus. So 5 is incoming, that means 5 is minus 1. 4 is also incoming, that is 4 is also minus 1. Then 2, it is 3, 7 and 2. That is 2, 3 and 7. So it will be 1, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6, 0 and 8, 0. Now 3, that is outgoing. It will be plus. So 3 will be plus 1. 2 is incoming, that is opposite to twig, that will be minus 1. And 7 is also minus 1. Now for this twig number 6, this is your, so it is cutting 4, 5, 6 and 2. 4, 5, 6 and 2. That means 1, 0, 3, 0, 7, 0 and 8, 0. So now 6, it is incoming to the circle. So it will be plus 1. 2 is outgoing to the circle. That means minus 1. 5 is incoming to the circle. That means plus 1. And 4 is also incoming to the circle. That means plus 1. And for this twig 8, it is 4, 8, 7, 2. 4, 8, 7 and 2. That means 1, 0, 3, 0, 5, 0, 6, 0. 8, that is also incoming to the circle. 8 is plus 1. Then branch number 2, it is also incoming to the circle. So that means plus 1. 7 is also incoming to the circle. That means plus 1. And 4 is outgoing to the circle. So it is minus 1. This is your cut set matrix. So now similar to that, similar to tie set, we will be writing twigs first and links afterwards. So twigs are for this network 1, 6, 8, 3. And links are 4, 5, 2 and 7. So we have to rearrange this matrix. F cut set will remain same 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 is with respect to twig number 1. So that is 1, 6 is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. 6 is make this similar to this. Your 1 is twig number 1. Then 2 is twig number 3. Then third is twig number 6. And then it is 8. So 3 is 0 1 0 0. 6 is 0 0 1 0. 8 is 0 0 0 1. 4 is minus 1 0 1 1. 5 is minus 1 0 1 0. 2 is 0 minus 1 minus 1 1. And 7 is 0 minus 1 0 1. So you can see that this is U and this is Q. So for triset, link is unity matrix, and for cut set, twig is unity matrix. Any confusion? 2, 4 and 5 as your tree. Then 1, 3 and 6 will be your co-tree. और आप जो सर्कल बनाओगे वो वही बनेंगे 1, 2 and 3. So this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. Now how to write branch number? Twigs first and then links. Twigs are 2, 5 and 4. ये नंबर अगर आप सिमिलर टू ये रखोगे 1 2 3 तो इजी रहेगा. अगर आप इसको 2 4 5 रखते हो तो इसको 1 3 2 रखना पड़ेगा, वरना ये आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स यूनिटी मैट्रिक्स नहीं बनेगा. बनेगा यूनिटी मैट्रिक्स पर वो एलिमेंट इधर उधर दिखेंगे. तो इसलिए जिसको एफ कट सेट 1 को दिया है उसकी ट्विग नंबर 1, 2 को जो लिया है वो ट्विग नंबर 2 और 3. लिंक्स में कोई चक्कर नहीं है, 1 3 and 6. So for this you have branch 2 as incoming half, branch 2 as incoming, so that is 1 0 0. 1 is also incoming, so that is plus 1. 3 outgoing, that is minus 1. 6 is not connected. For this 2, 5 is incoming, so it will be 1 0. 6 is incoming, so it will be plus 1. 3 is also incoming, so it is also 1. For this 4 is so 0 0 1. Branch number 1 is outgoing, so it will be minus 1. Branch number 3 is not present. Branch number 6 is also outgoing, that is minus 1. So this will be your matrix Q or fundamental cut set matrix. इस तरीके से जरूरी नहीं है you write like this, but it is if you write like this, it will be always cross checked कि you have right or wrong. If this is a unity matrix, then more chances that you have written right matrix. अगर आप 1 2 3 4 5 6 लिखोगे वो गलत नहीं है, but it will be changing order. Then you cannot identify the identity matrix, so it will be having an issue. गलत नहीं है, but it will be on the basis of that. क्लियर है? तो in next class we will be go to KVL and KCL with the help of cut set matrix. And then we will be go on select how to write for network. अब ये मैट्रिक्स तो बना दिया हमने, वोल्टेजेस और करंट्स की रिलेशन भी पता कर ली, पर अब इसको एक्चुअल नेटवर्क में इंटरफेस कैसे करना है, दैट विल बी वी विल बी गोइंग इन नेक्स्ट क्लास. कट सेट और टाई सेट मैट्रिक्स में किसी को कोई कंफ्यूजन हो तो पूछ लो. You will get an assignment on tie set and cut set matrix on your LMS portal.
सर एक बार जो लिखे हुए सर उसको दिखा देता सर, स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेते हैं हम लोग.
लिखा था जो या इक्वेशंस जो मैट्रिक्स बनाई थी?
ये सर जो स्टार्टिंग से आज कराया था उसका सर, LMS पोर्टल पे अभी तक आपने अपलोड नहीं किया था इसलिए.
कर रखे हैं शुरू के 2 लेक्चर की वीडियो और दोनों का कंटेंट PDF में अपलोडेड है.
ग्राफ थ्योरी
सर शुरू की बस.
हाँ ग्राफ थ्योरी है. ग्राफ के दोनों है और बाकी आज कर दूंगा मैं.
ये सर कर दीजिएगा सर LMS पोर्टल पे.
कितनों ने खोल के देखा है?
मैं देखा हूँ सर.
मैंने कल खोला था
ग्राफ
सर.
थ्योरी है, देखिए सर वो
काफी लोगों ने आज तक LMS खोला ही नहीं है.
सर लॉगिन हो गया लेकिन लिख रहा है कि इनरोल नहीं हुए हैं आप.
क्या है रोल नंबर? ईमेल भेज दिया था मुझे.
1989.
ईमेल भेजा था?
यस सर उस दिन भेजा.
कब?
यस दिन भेजा था.
कब?
उस दिन आपने पूछा था ना पिछले.
एक बार अभी वापस भेजो, मैं चेक करता हूँ तुम्हारा ईमेल मेरे उसमें रजिस्टर है कि नहीं.
ओके सर. सर चैट बॉक्स में लिखा है सर.
चैट बॉक्स में नहीं, मेरे व्हाट्सएप पे भेज दो या उस ग्रुप में डाल दो.
ओके.
ओके बाय.
बाय सर.